In this podcast episode, the host interviews Dr. Alex George, a TV doctor, best-selling author, and youth mental health ambassador to the government. They discuss various aspects of mental health and provide insights into how individuals can improve their well-being and happiness. Dr. Alex begins by emphasizing the importance of treating mental health with the same level of attention as physical health. He introduces the concept of mental fitness, which involves actively working on one's mental well-being and building resilience. He argues that mental health should not be solely associated with negative experiences such as depression and anxiety, but rather viewed as a spectrum, with most people falling somewhere in the middle. One of the key topics discussed is the idea of defining what is normal for oneself. Dr. Alex suggests that societal standards and expectations often lead individuals to chase an ideal that may not be achievable or align with their own needs and preferences. He encourages listeners to reflect on their own normal and understand what makes them feel good or bad. He introduces the traffic light theory, a simple exercise where individuals can express how they are feeling by using the colors red, amber, or green. This exercise helps individuals and those around them to identify changes in their mental well-being and take appropriate action. The conversation also delves into the importance of early intervention and prevention in mental health. Dr. Alex highlights the current model of mental health support, which focuses more on tertiary treatment rather than addressing issues early on. He emphasizes the need for individuals to seek therapy and treatment without shame or hesitation, as therapy can be beneficial for everyone, not just those with severe mental illness or trauma. He shares his personal experience with therapy and how it has positively impacted his life. The podcast also touches on the topic of boundaries and self-care. Dr. Alex emphasizes the importance of setting boundaries to reclaim one's life and prioritize personal well-being. He suggests saying no to things that are not essential and creating space in one's schedule for creativity and relaxation. He also discusses the impact of alcohol on mental health and productivity, encouraging listeners to consider the benefits of reducing or eliminating alcohol consumption. Imposter syndrome is another topic explored in the podcast. Dr. Alex acknowledges that many people struggle with feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt, including doctors. He advises individuals to look for evidence that proves they are not imposters and to address areas where improvement is needed. He encourages listeners to break free from the fear of judgment and to pursue their passions and interests without holding back. The podcast concludes with a discussion on the pursuit of happiness. Dr. Alex suggests that constant happiness should not be the ultimate goal, as it can lead to dissatisfaction. Instead, he encourages individuals to strive for contentment and joy in each day and to define what a good life means to them. He emphasizes the importance of evaluating the direction one is heading in and seeking help when needed. He urges listeners to fear less and care more about their own opinions than the opinions of others. Overall, this podcast episode provides valuable insights and practical tools for improving mental well-being and happiness. Dr. Alex's expertise and personal experiences contribute to a comprehensive discussion on various aspects of mental health, encouraging listeners to prioritize self-care, seek therapy when needed, set boundaries, and pursue a balanced and fulfilling life.